So we have our main layer, and what we're going to do right now is we're going to select it, click on the top right corner while snapping on, and we'll drag it down, and when it hits a quarter of the canvas, it will snap to it, and you will see these golden lines again, and then you will release. What you will do this time is you will take that layer, duplicate it, select, and just drag it on top of it. And again, do this 4 times to fill in the entire canvas. And that's it, perfect. Now you see that we have a perfect seamless design here. And this is how your final design is going to look like on anything you're going to do with it. If you're going to sell it, your customers will be able to use this on physical products. If you're going to use it for your own projects, this is how it's going to look like. And yeah, if you're satisfied, that's perfect. I'm very happy for you. If not, I'll show you how you can fix this design. So now we can go back into that seamless file. Usually what I do is I keep this in a separate project, but this time I'm just going to go back before we start doing the testing. And we have our seamless file here. As you can see, I'm tiny bit dissatisfied because here, clearly, here was the border, right, on the image. So I didn't really place any elements near that end. But at the end, it creates this like empty space here. So what I want to do is now fix it up. And this is the place where you need to do it. Now, you cannot mess with anything on the side because we already made it seamless now. And it works and it's perfect, so leave it that way. But whatever you do with inside of this pattern right now, that's totally up to you. And this is the best time to actually do your fixes because this is the final file which you're going to be using, selling, whatever you want with it. So I don't like this empty space here. So I'm going to add another little object here. Just again, the same color. And I'll place it here. Perfect. So it doesn't really have that feeling of being empty here anymore. It does, however, miss something here and here on the bottom. So what I'm gonna do is I'm going to import more of these seagrasses, just make it a bit tinier. See, now I can still work with resizing because I didn't deselect it, so it's fine. Perfect. And I will make a new layer here. And it's done. Now it's done. Now it's done. Okay, so what I want to do now is to test the seamlessness again. So now, because you made some adjustments, you really don't want to lose this again, this option to move these layers. So what I would suggest you to do is basically select this project and duplicate it. And now we have three projects which are connected to this one. So what we can do is we can stack them together. I always keep 3 projects in one folder. So now we have a stack and we can call that stack something. So let's say my first seamless pattern. And we have all 3 projects in it. So you can call this one the base. Sorry, this one is the base. Make sure it's not the seamless one. Then we have, just double check. Yes, this is the one after adjustments. So this is seamless one, which will basically tell me that this is before this includes the extra layers, and I can make this one called Seamless 2. Perfect. And now we'll be working with this one. We are keeping the previous one here, just in case we just want to change it again. So we'll be doing all our tests on this one. And what we're gonna do is basically we'll merge down all the objects into one single layer. And this is our final design. So we will now test it again for seamlessness. We know it's seamless already, but we want to see how it looks like after all these adjustments when it gets repeated. So we're going to do the test again, which I already taught you how to do. Just make sure that they are both these golden lines. If it doesn't work with your pen, use your finger. It works much better. You just put your finger on the screen and hold and try to move it a little bit, and it will help you a lot. So, and as you can see, it's perfect now. It's full of objects. It looks much better. There are no empty spaces. It's absolutely not visible that these used to be some just single tiles, and the design is ready.